another Epic Flows production.
What is this now? What is happening in here? Is a stick that you got tied up on a chair? Oh my God, this is the last time I'm coming to Jamaica. The first house I went to, there was an old lady in the house. I broke in my house. Thief! Jesus Christ, Savior of Nazareth! Somebody a try broke in my house! Oh Lord of God! Jesus! Murder! Somebody help! Somebody a try broke in my house! Somebody help! Help! Somebody a try broke in my house! Jesus Christ! Lord, and if that are never enough, the second house me go in a, one young girl in there. Me say as me come down the chimney and me say ho. Hear the young girl. Santa Claus a who ya call ho? Santa Claus a who are you? You know nothing about me, Santa Claus? Santa Claus look for me good, you know nothing about me? Go call your mother, sister, brother, uncle, John, Denkin, ping. Oh, a who ya call ho, Santa Claus? Santa Claus no make me done your head ya. Look how you big and look like parachute. Santa Claus a who are you? And me say the last house me go in a, you did have a couple youths in the house. Me say Lord of Christ, me should go in the house. And me good on the chimney so the youth say, and that your pick, a chimney a come non Santa, why if it a move there?
Welcome to the Aristotle.
Yo, this a granny attack, you know. Merry Christmas, you know. And have a happy new year when it forward. And me I tell you if you bless up, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you don't do that already. Alright, later. So you don't know, go watch a full episode of Irish 2 episode 11. Cause this is just one deleted scene. You see me? Alright, another Epic Flows production. Bucket hot on, cause I'm a real ass granny.
So, brand new characters in this episode. Bad man, stick man in this episode.
Aristotle.